Getting ready to go to one of the biggest festivals here in the Philippines. I'm gonna take you guys with me. All my friends are going. We made these custom t-shirts since we're gonna get painted. First time in a jeepney.
Wait, is it like this?
No!
Don't ask for him, you're so rude.
First things first, I'm vlogging for YouTube.
Hey, let's go!
Ang init.
It's too hot. Hi! Of course. Thank you. Guys, this just happened. It's so busy, we can't move. Yeah. Ang cute mo. Thank you. Everyone is tired.
No heart, man. What the fuck? No heart.
This is the situation right now. We're gonna go home, shower, and then another party.
Here.
On our way home, it's so busy. He's so serious. I'm teaching my friend Tagalog. Okay, let's go. What did I teach you?
Palamang.
Anong pangalang
Pangalang?
mo?
Mo. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Kamusta ka?
Ate.
Ate, kumusta ka?
Kamu, kasta? Kasta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Oh yes.
Kumusta ka?
Kamusta ka? If I ask you, kamusta ka? Can you say?
Okay lang, oh.
Okay yeah! Ay, galing.
Mabuti po. Isa Tagalog mabuti po.
Mabuti. Remember, that's good.
Oh yeah, mabuti.
What else?
Alamang.
Anong pangalan mo?
Pangalang?
Pangalang.
Pangalang. Mo.
Pangalang?
Pangalang. Mo. Yes. And then you say, ako si Jordan. Ako is me. I just landed back in Siquijor. My last time here was 2 years ago. I wonder if it's still the same or if I'm still gonna like it. Okay, we rented a motorbike and I'm going straight to my favorite breakfast place. Even though I just had like 4 hours of sleep, I'm so tired. But it's good, we're not gonna waste a day. We are here at my favorite breakfast place because they have mermaid smoothie bowls. Ate, pwede pa order ng ocean pipes. Here, look how cute! Oh, first stop in Siquijor is Palentin Beach. And normally I only go here with sunset, but I want to sleep. So I was looking for a good beach. So beautiful! Oh, we got discount. 2 coconuts. 120.
Shout out to your blood.
Charlie.
First things first. Guys, look who I spotted. Hello!
Yo! Pilsen. San Miguel Pilsen, just to start the island life. I'm a tour guide.
Yes.
So oh my god. Going to the white sand beach.
It's more beautiful.
It's beautiful, it's clear, and you can get some food.
Oh, okay.
Because we're hungry. And I'm always hungry. So.
Gutom ka?
Gutom. Oh, you see,
Maganda.
Guys, this boat is going way back to Africa. We came from this boat to the Philippines. Me and my brother. Grill, di ba?
Yes.
Meron kayong garlic rice?
Wala mo.
Wala. We're getting tuna that they just... I think they just catch this tuna, right? We want that.
So good, man.
Lunch is here. Guys, this is the life. This is what makes me the happiest ever. Look at all the food we have. This is a normal lunch for us. Wow, look how beautiful.
It's currently 3:35.
And...
We're already on a gin tonics.
oh no.
We gotta start early, guys.
We've got...
That's it, 20 minutes.
I spent the whole day with friends and now I'm getting ready to go eat at my favorite pizza place. If you've been to Siquijor, you know the best pizzas are at Dolce Amore, so I am so excited. Outfit of the night. We're having pizza.
Is it chicken? Margarita?
So here you have to cut your pizza. Roll it up. Oh! Ooh. Almost. We will find a way to play Mario Kart everywhere. We're on the ferry and look at us. day 2 of my Siquijor adventures. Look at this cute place I woke up in. It's so peaceful. This island is so much more quiet compared to Siargao. Look at all them waiting. There you go. You can eat now. You're allowed.
We're dogs.
Go. We're gonna drive 35 minutes to the famous waterfalls. Am I gonna jump? You gonna jump?
You're like, of course.
Look at that human drone. Someone wants to make a human drone shot.
How are we gonna do it?
No! Look at that. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna jump. I'm nervous. Woo! Beautiful. We just arrived at Boo Cafe and apparently they have one of the best views in Siquijor. Wow. Mushroom sisig, chicken, calamari, mango shake. What more do you want, mate?
I do know that.
Basic outfit of the night. What are we gonna do tonight?
Pop bottles and fuck some bitches.
Bachata.
Just make yourself feel.
Cut the camera. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna jump. I'm nervous.
Ganito.